Welcome to this tutorial on how to register on ByBit and claim a massive sign-up bonus of up to $4,450 with a referral code. ByBit is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a user-friendly platform, low fees, and excellent security features. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to create an account on ByBit and take advantage of their lucrative referral program. Step 1. Go to the ByBit website. First, you need to go to the ByBit website by typing bybit.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the website, click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Fill in your details. Next, you'll be taken to the registration page, where you'll need to fill in your details. This includes your email address and password. Make sure you choose a strong password. Step 3. Enter the referral code. To claim your sign-up bonus, you need to enter a referral code during the registration process. Use our referral code to get up to $4,450 in bonuses. Simply copy and paste the code into the referral code field. You can find it in the video description. Step 4. Verify your account. After entering the referral code, you'll need to verify your account and agreeing to ByBit's terms and conditions. Step 5. Make your first deposit. Once your account is verified, you can make your first deposit. ByBit supports several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and follow the instructions on the screen. ByBit doesn't charge any deposit fees, but you may have to pay network fees depending on the cryptocurrency you choose. Step 6. Claim your sign-up bonus. Finally, you can claim your sign-up bonus by completing certain tasks on ByBit. These include making a certain number of trades, referring friends, and completing KYC verification. The more tasks you complete, the higher your bonus will be. You can check your bonus progress on the Rewards tab on the ByBit website. That's it. By following these 6 steps, you can register on ByBit and claim up to $4,450 in sign-up bonuses with a referral code. Remember to use our referral code during the registration process to take advantage of this amazing offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials and reviews.